Sorry. Oh yes, yes. I mean, I do know who Trubar was, but you know, Trubar in any case is one of the very few really big names in terms of culture in Slovenia.
But I really like the street. It's very full of vibes, nice energies. I don't know. It just seems quite magical.
Yeah.
Relaxed. You can still feel it's a bit South Europe, so I like it. That's Spanish. And it just seems very cute and relaxed.
Ja, zelo všeč.
Zelo všeč.
Zaradi tega tukaj sem.
Na Trubarjevi. Meni je zanimivega. Včasih smo hodili v Sočka, ki ga imate malo bolj tam naprej. Soček je bilo, to ni bilo nobenega lokala tukaj prej. To so bile samo trgovine. Tukaj so imeli Židi svoje trgovine.
My name is Tani. I am from Afghanistan. I live 7 months in Ljubljana. I like Ljubljana. I come from Afghanistan, Iran, Turkish, Greece, Bulgaria, Serbia, Croatia.
On foot?
Sometimes food, sometimes car.
This street is really special. First, it has a lot of different cultures here. A lot of different food you can try here, and that's why it makes it so special. We came to this street 12 years ago, and we started with falafel, but at the beginning Slovenians, they didn't want to try new food.
Tukaj ne živimo, tukaj delujemo.
Družite se?
Tukaj delujemo, družimo se, ker to je v bistvu tovarni rog, socialni center, ker bolj to je ta zgradba, ker bolj delujemo na političnem nivoju. Zdaj vprašanje, kako kdo to dela, bolj smo zdaj trenutno delamo na vprašanju migrantov, beguncev, pa zmeri imamo kakšne take, ampak zdaj trenutno pa pričivamo.
As an organization, we've had over 35 different projects, mainly funded by the EU, the municipality of Ljubljana. The aim is still the same, to increase the employability of migrants. So our motto is quality food from the global south, a different kitchen every day of the week. So the aim of this institute is actually to bring people together from the global south and from Slovenia by enhancing a mutual understanding of each other.
Ko so se začela vsa ta dogajanja z občino in tek naprej, sem večkrat šla malo pogledat, kaj se kaj dogaja, pa bi rekla, da tile koncerti za mlade pa vse so bili dosti v redu zadeva, tako da čisto podpiram vse to. Drugače pa tudi tile lokalčki po celi ulici so zelo prijetni. Povsod je tako res prijetno sedeti pa malo poklepetati zvečer. Ja, zelo v redu.
Trubarjeva. Well, most people, tourists love coming to Trubarjeva because it's quite unique. It's kind of an alternative street of Ljubljana because we're not, I mean, we sell spices, which is kind of usually in the West, in Western countries linked with Middle East or Muslims, Muslim population. I mean, I myself, we're a Muslim family, and here in this street, in Trubarjeva Street, we have a lot of restaurants and shops, usually linked with not just Middle East but East. I mean, I don't like to use the terms Middle East or East because it's supposed that the West is the center of the world, but let's say conventionally Middle East, East. We have, I don't know, the falafel, which by my personal opinion is one of the best falafels I've been in Istanbul and I've ate falafel and it wasn't as good as Abi falafel.
Tako no.
Alkohol.
Prijem kaj spit, cigarete imajo, vse sorte cigaret, dobiš noter. Ko v trafiki, še več. Po kakšnega poznam, kakšno rečemo in to je to. Drugač po ulico poznam dobro, celo Trubarjevo.
Well, I love it. I love the graffiti actually. I think it makes the street special. And I love that this street is evolving each year. It's more multicultural and that really suits me.
You know, like actually to me, I came here because I was in Barcelona in Spain with some friends and we were cooking though, and I told them that I was going to travel carrying an egg. That was like an art project for me, and from Spain to somewhere else. And she told me, can I go with you? And I said like, yes, sure. And she asked me where. The first word that came to my mind was Ljubljana.
It's a very funny thing because I can't say I'm Slovenian because I'm not, because I was raised in this Bosnian tradition. But on the other hand, I can't. So I could describe myself as a Bosnian, but Ljubljanian, or how Ljubljanshan, so a person living in Ljubljana, because I don't live. I can't say I'm from Sarajevo, I'm Sarajevan, because I haven't lived in Sarajevo. Of course, I have a lot of family and friends. I know how life flows, but when it comes to reality, I know. I mean, Ljubljana is perhaps the closest thing I could call home.
Trubarjeva se zmer bolj komercializira. Zmer več je nekih lokalov, trgovinc in po mojem bo s časoma gentrificirana, se pravi bo zmer dražji in počas bojo ljudje, ki nimajo dosti denarja, se mogli kam drugam umakniti in tle bojo pa samo drage stvari pozgledano.
Je pa bistvo, da je to prav dobro, da je zelo mešano, ne?
Ja.
Da so recimo in, ne vem, ali iz Irana, ali iz Afrike, ali iz Kitajske, ali mešan narod, lahko probaš razno
komunikacijo.
He also asked me why Trubarjeva, the meaning of Trubarjeva to us. Trubarjeva is to me maybe the multicultural street in Ljubljana, and I'm glad we are here and I'm glad we're part of that story. So to us, all these other entities that are offering food on Trubarjeva are not mere competitors. We view them actually as partners in a wider sense of the word. We believe that the stronger they are, the stronger the name of the street as an intercultural street, and sooner or later we will benefit more than we lose if the street becomes stronger as a cultural or intercultural entity.
My name is Ali.
My name is Hanna and I'm from Ljubljana, Slovenia, but my father, he is from Palestine and my mom is from Slovenia.
Well, my name is Anna. I'm 23 years old and I come from Maribor, which is the second biggest city in Slovenia.
My name is Max Zimani. I was born in Zimbabwe and I came to Yugoslavia.
It's good in the hood.